Good morning, students. The previous class we will discuss about some exercise problems in Unit 1. Today also we discuss some problems in the exercise problem in Unit 1. Okay. So first the problem number 10. A point charge of 10 microcoulomb is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from another identical point charge of 10 microcoulomb. A point charge of minus 2 microcoulomb is moved from a point A to B as shown in figure. Calculate the change in potential energy of the system. Interpret your result. Actually, one diagram is there. One point of 10 microcoulomb and 10 microcoulomb. It will be separated between the 20 centimeter. So this centimeter is totally 10 coulomb and 10 coulomb. The distance is 20. But we decide one point in between the 20 centimeter. So 5 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Okay. Then identical point charge is 10 microcoulomb and point charge minus 2 microcoulomb. Minus 2 microcoulomb. Then minus 2 microcoulomb, that is the 5 centimeters is there. Then calculate the change in potential energy of the system. A இருந்து B வரைக்கும் ஒரு thing வந்து இங்கே ஒரு minus 2 microcoulomb வந்து 5 centimeters மூவ் ஆகுது. இப்போ இதோட எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக் பொட்டன்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி வந்து எப்படி சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கு? இதான் உங்களுடைய கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, ரெண்டு சார்ஜ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ரெண்டு சார்ஜ் இடையில டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து 20 சென்டிமீட்டர். இந்த இடத்துல நீ ஒரு பாயிண்டை கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கீங்க. இங்கேருந்து minus 2 microcoulomb மட்டும் 5 centimeter மூவ் ஆகுது. அப்போ அதோட எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக் பொட்டன்ஷியல் எனர்ஜி வந்து எப்படி சேஞ்ச் ஆகும்? இதுதான் உங்களுடைய கொஸ்டின். ஸோ what are the given values? First, what are the given values? Q1, Q2. So given as Q1 is equal to 10 microcoulomb. You have to decide Q1 is 10 microcoulomb. 10 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, coulomb. Then charge Q2 is equal to minus 2 microcoulomb. இந்த இடத்துல இருந்தா இங்க போயிருக்கு. So Q2 is equal to minus 2 microcoulomb. So minus 2 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Then distance R1 and R2. R1 is equal to 5 centimeter. The distance and then this distance. So this is R1, this is R2. India distance is this is R1, this is R2. So R1 is equal to 5 centimeter. Centimeter into meter. So 5 into 10 power minus 2 meter. That is called 0.05 meter. Then R2 is equal to 15 centimeter. You have to convert it to meter. So multiplying 15 into 10 power minus 2 will be 0.15 meter. Okay, R1, R2 value. Then we easily find out the change in potential energy. How will you calculate change in potential energy? So what will we find out to find change in potential energy? Change in potential energy is equal to question mark. Okay, then formula solution. What's the formula I have to take to solve the problem? Electrostatic potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy tell U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon r Q1 Q2 by R. Okay, substitute the Q value, substitute the R value, substitute the Q2 value. Then 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is 9 into 10 power 9. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value is 10 into 9 into 10 power 9, and Q1 value is 10 into 10 power minus 6, and Q2 value is minus 2 into 10 power minus 6 by R value is 1.5 and 1.05. This only. So 1.05. So 0.05. Okay. So 5. So 5 is 0.05 meter. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon value is 9 into 10 power 9. Substitute the Q1 value, substitute the Q2 value, substitute the R value. Q1 value is 10 into 10 power minus 6, and Q2 value is minus 2 into 10 power minus 6, and then R value is 0.05. Okay. Then you have to multiply all the values. So multiply all the values means, how will you multiply ma? 9 into minus 2, so minus 18. So minus 18, del U is equal to minus 18 into 10 power 1, 10 power 9, and then 10 into 10 power 6, so that is 10 power 1. So 10 power 9 into 10 power 1, that is 10 power 10, 10 power minus 6 and 10 power minus 6. So minus 12 இங்க 10 power 10. So 10 power minus 12 இங்க 10 power 10. So minus 2 by 0.05. Okay. How will you get the mark? 9 into 2. 9 into 2 minus 2 minus 18. Then 10 power 9, 10 power 1, that is 10 power 10. 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6, that is 10 power minus 12. So 10 power 10 and 10 power minus 12. 10 power 10 into 10 power minus 12. So that's 10 square, 10 power minus 2 by 0.05. Okay, 10 power minus 2 it will be taken to the denominator part. So minus 18 by 0.05 into 10 square. Numerator 10 power minus 2, they have to taken as the denominator. It will be converted into 10 square, not a minus 2. மேல minus 2 இருக்குது கீழே வருமா என்ன plus 2 மாறும். So 0.05 into 10 square, that is 5. So minus 18 by 5. So minus 18 by 5. 3 5s are 15 and balance 3 30. 6 5s are 30. So minus 3.6 joule. Energy means minus 3.6 joule. That is the electrostatic potential energy. So how will you calculate the electrostatic potential energy? So first the diagram is given. So 10 microcoulomb and 10 microcoulomb. You have to take as Q1. And then in this part, A part, minus 2 microcoulomb, it will be taking this outside at the distance of 5 centimeter. So Q2 is minus 2 microcoulomb. So minus 2 into 10 power minus 6. R1 is 5 centimeters. So 5 into 10 power minus 2 meter, 0.05. R2 is 15 centimeters. 15 into 10 power minus 2, 0.15 meter. Okay. So electrostatic potential energy formula is tell U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Substitute the Q value, substitute the Q2 value, substitute the R value. All the value after substitute is easily get the answer, that is minus 3.6 joule. So first you should learn the formulas in this lesson. After you have to work out all the problems. Okay. Then go for the next one. In the 11th problem, few diagram is there. Okay. 11th problem la nariya diagram கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. We easily find out the effective capacitance in each diagrams, in each electric circuits. Okay. So effective capacitance, first enter this problem. First you should know about the effective capacitance. Then the capacitor will be connected in series and the capacitor will be connected in parallel. So the capacitor will be connected in series. The effective capacitance is equal to series. Series means 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Two capacitors will be connected in series. The effective capacitance Cs is equal to 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Then two capacitors will be connected in parallel. Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. So this is the two formulas. You have to apply this all the diagrams. Okay. So I explain one by one. Okay. So this first A circuit we taken. This circuit, 3 capacitors is there. Okay. 2, 1, 2, 3 capacitors. So first 2 capacitors will be connected in parallel. Why connected in parallel? Parallel na series அப்படினா இப்போ ஒரு கெபாசிட்டர்னா அதோட செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட் செகண்ட் உடைய ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்டா போய் ஜாயிண்ட் ஆகுது. இப்படி கண்டினியூஸா கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்குன்னா அது சீரியஸ் 1 by 1 கீழே கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்குன்னா அது பேர் parallel. ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டும் இங்க இருந்து இந்த ரெண்டோடைய ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்டும் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு, இந்த ரெண்டோடைய செகண்ட் பாயிண்டும் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கு. That is called as parallel. Series means continuous work. Okay. So the capacitors 1 and 2 it will be connected in parallel. So capacitors, first problem, capacitors. Students, all of you take one note and note down all the steps to be followed to solve these problems. Okay. So the capacitors 1 and 2 it will be connected. 1 and 2 are connected in parallel. So connected in parallel means the effective capacitance Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. C1 is C0 and C2 is C0. So C0 plus C0 is equal to 2C0. It will be in a parallel. Easily calculate the effective capacitance Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C equal to Z. Substitute the C1 value, substitute the C2 value. It will be easily find out 2C0. Okay. Then இதை calculate பண்ணியாச்சு. Then now the circuit. Then first capacitance is there. And then second இது ரெண்டையும் கனெக்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு. So second capacitance is. So that is C0 3 and that is the effective capacitance, parallel capacitance Cp. So now this two capacitors will be connected in series. So CP and C3 are connected in series. Are connected in series. Okay. Are connected in series. Series means CS1. 1 by CS. Effective capacitance 1 by CS is equal to 1 by CP 1 by Cp plus 1 by C3. So 1 by Cp value is, what is Cp? That is 2 C naught. So 1 by 2 C naught plus C3 is 1 by C naught. So 1 by 2 C naught will be taken as LCM. So 1 plus 2. Then 3 by 2 C naught. 1 by Cs is equal to 3 by 2 C naught. So Cs is equal to 2 C naught by C. This is the effective capacitance for this diagram. இதோட effective capacitance என்ன அப்படின்னா total capacitance அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். total capacitance two capacity, இந்த ரெண்டு capacity parallel connect ஆயிருக்குன்னு சொல்லி அதை calculate பண்ணி அது ரெண்டையும் series connect பண்ணி ரெண்டு series connect பண்ணிருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அதோட effective capacitance calculate பண்ணிருக்கோம். இது first diagram. Okay, then go for the second one. What is the second one, ma? That is B diagram. So 4 capacitors is there, C0, 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 C0. 4 capacitors is there. 2 capacitors will be connected in parallel, 2 capacitors will be connected in parallel. Otherwise, all that the parallel capacitor will be connected in series. So first we will find out that this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first 2 capacitors will be connected in series. First 2 capacitors will be connected in series. 2 capacitors will be connected in 1 and 2 are series. Sorry, series is parallel. First 2 will C0 plus C0 is equal to 2C0. Okay. Then now the diagram is this. Effective capacitance, this capacitance, that is the parallel combination of effective capacitance, and second one is parallel combination of effective capacitance. So now the diagram will be changed into this way. So the two capacitors will be connected in series. So now we will calculate CP1 and CP2 are connected in series. CP1 and CP2 are connected in series. Series means the effective capacitance 1 by Cs is equal to, series na in the form of 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So 1 by CP1 plus 1 by CP2. Okay. Then CP1 value is 2C0. 1 by 2C0 plus 1 by 2C0. Okay. So taking LCM 2C0, 2 by 2C0. Okay. 2 to cancel. Then 1 by C0. 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C0. Upper Cs is equal to C0. That will be the effective capacitance. Easily find out. இந்த ரெண்டு இப்படி ஒரு டயக்ராம் கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். இந்த ரெண்டையும் முதல் parallel எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இந்த ரெண்டையும் parallel எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இங்க parallel combination effective capacitance calculate பண்ணுங்க. இங்க parallel combination effective capacitance calculate பண்ணுங்க. ரெண்டையும் series formatல எடுத்து எழுதுங்க. அப்புறம் series combinationக்கு effective capacitance calculate பண்ணுங்க. இதுதான் அதோடைய correct method to solve that problem. Okay. Then go for the third one. Okay. Now we will go for the third problem. It is C problem. This problem, the capacitor will be connected in C0, C0, C0. So two capacitor, 1, 2, that's two capacitor will be connected in parallel. And then effective capacitance we will calculate, and then effective capacitor and then C0 will be, third capacitor will be connected in parallel. Okay. So find out first 1 and 2, 1, 2 are connected in parallel. Okay. 1 or 2 parallel connect ஆயிருக்கும். Okay, so 1 and 2 it will be connected in parallel. So parallel means CP1 is equal to C1 plus C2. It will be connected in parallel means so C0 plus C0, that is called 2C0. Then CP1, otherwise the CP1 then it will be connected to with the FAT capacitance C0. C0 will be connected to the first FAT capacitance CP1. So CP1 and C0 are connected in parallel. So parallel means again CP2 is equal to CP1 plus C3, third part. Then CP1 value is 2C0 and C3 value is C0. So 3C0 will be, this is the final answer for this problem. Okay. இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்துல இது ரெண்டே பேரலா கனெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, இந்த ரெண்டே பேரலா எடுத்துக்கோங்க, இந்த ரெண்டு பேரலா எடுத்துட்டு அதை FT கெபாசிட்டி கால்குலேட் பண்ணி அதை அகைன் பேரலா எடுத்து கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் தி தேர்ட் ப்ராப்ளம். And then we will go for the fourth one. Then fourth problem, four capacitors is there. Four capacitors there, C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay, four capacitors. The first two capacitors will be connected in series. Next two capacitors will be connected in series. Okay, but the FAT capacitance will be connected in parallel. So series and then parallel. First series we will calculate. First C1, C2. C1, C2 are connected in C1, C2 capacitors. Capacitors are connected in series. Series. So CS1, 1 by CS1 is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. ரெண்டு capacitor series connect பண்ணிட்டோம்னா அதோட ஃபார்முலா என்ன? Reciprocal FAT capacitance is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Then 1 by C1 and 1 by C2. Okay. Then we are taking the LCM C1 and C2 plus C1. Okay. Then again C3 and C4 it will be connected in series. So 1 by CS2 is equal to 1 by C3 plus 1 by C4. So 1 by C3 plus 1 by C4. So taking LCM C3 and C4 and C4 plus C3. Okay. இந்த ரெண்டும் சீரிஸா கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு FAT கெபாசிட்டி கால்குலேட் பண்ணிருக்கோம், அது CS1. ரெண்டும் சீரிஸா கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்குன்னு FAT கெபாசிட்டி கால்குலேட் பண்ணிருக்கோம், அது CS2. So CS1 and CS2. Then இது 1 by CS1 and 1 by CS2. Okay, so CS1 is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Then CS2 is equal to C3 C4 by C3 plus C4. Okay, then CS1 and CS2 are connected in parallel. Now இது ரெண்டும் தனியா கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம், ரெண்டையும் parallel கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். parallel கனெக்ட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும்? CS1 and CS2 are connected in parallel. How ma? இங்க மேல இருந்து வரக்கூடிய CS, இந்த இடத்துல வரக்கூடிய CS1 and CS2. This diagram it will becomes இது மாதிரி மாறிது. இங்க தனியா கால்குலேட் பண்ணிருக்கோம், இங்க தனியா கால்குலேட் இந்த மாதிரி மாறிது. Okay, this is CS1 and CS2. Then so CP is equal to CS1 plus CS2. Then CS1 is C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 plus C3 C4 by C3 plus C4. Taking LCM C1 C2 and C3 C4. So taking LCM C1 plus C2 into C3 plus C4. Okay, then this term C1, C3, C4 is not there. So C1, C2 into C3 plus C4 plus this term C1 plus C2 is not there. So you have to multiply the C1, C2 in this part. So C3, C4 into C1 plus C2. Okay. So it's multiplying all the terms and then get the answers. So C1, C2 is multiplied with C3. So C1, C2, C3, C1, C2, C3 plus C1, C2, C4, C1, C2, C4 plus C3, C4, C1. So C1, C3, C4 plus C2, C3, C4, C2, C3, C4 by C1 plus C2 into C3 plus C4. That is the final answer. That is the effective capacitance for fourth diagram. Fourth diagram of effective capacitance, final capacitance is Cp is equal to this one. This is the answer in your book. So that only, this term only you have to stop. இது வரைக்கும் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணாலே போதும் இதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க டெரைவ் பண்ண அவசியம் இல்லை பட் this is the final answer. Okay, so how did you calculate now? You have to consider the two capacitors will be connected in series, two capacitors will be connected in series. That why the two capacitors, effective capacitance for the first two and effective capacitance for the second two, it will be connected in parallel. So automatically you have to find out the answers. Okay, then go for the fifth one. Fifth one, two capacitors will be connected in series and two capacitors will be connected in series, and then three remaining capacitors will be connected in parallel. So now we will calculate the first two capacitors, the first two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first two capacitors will be connected in series first. 1 and 2 are connected in series. 1 and 2 are connected in series. Connected in series. Series means CS1 is equal to 1 by CS1 is equal to 1 by C0 plus 1 by C0. C1 and C2. Okay. 1 by C0 plus 1 by C0. So taking 2 by C0. Taking LCM 2 by C0. 1 by CS1 is equal to 2 by C0. So CS1 is equal to C0 by 2. CS1. And then CS2 also. CS2 also same. So 4 and 5 will be connected. 4 and 5 are connected in series. 1 by CS2 is equal to 1 by C0 plus 1 by C0. So 1 by C0, 1 by C0, 2 by C0. So that is 1 by CS2. So CS2 is equal to C0 by 2. Okay, that is the CS2, CS1 and CS2. Now the diagram becomes, the diagram eppadi maarum, CS1 and C0 and CS2. So this is the series connection. This CS2 is series connection. Idoda series connection. Idoda series connection. And naduvula irukkude C. So idu vandu 3. Okay. So it will be now the three capacitors will be connected in parallel. So three capacitors will be connected in parallel. Three capacitors CS1, C3 and CS2 are connected in parallel. Cp is equal to CS1, C3 and CS2. So CS1, what's the value, ma? CS1 is C0 by 2 and C3 is C0 and CS2 is C0 by 2. Now C0 by 2 plus C0 plus C0 by 2. So taking LCM is 2 C0 plus 2 C0 plus C0. Okay. So 4 C0 by 2. Then 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So Cp is equal to 2 C0. That is the effective capacitance for the last diagram. So how did you calculate? So எந்த கெபாசிட்டர் எப்படி கனெக்ட் பண்ணினாலும் அது சீரிஸ்ல இருக்கா பேரலல்கான்னு முதல்ல செக் பண்ணிட்டு டோட்டலா அதை கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும். சீரிஸ்ல உள்ளதெல்லாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும், அதோட எஃபெக்டிவ் கெபாசிட்டன்ஸை அதை கனெக்ட் பண்ணி பேரலல் அதோட எஃபெக்டிவ் கெபாசிட்டன்ஸை கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும். இதுதான் அதோட ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர். ஓகே, தென் கோ ஃபார் த நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம். 14th ப்ராப்ளம். Fourteenth problem. For the given capacitor configuration, find the charge on each capacitor, potential difference across them, energy stored in each capacitor. So one diagram is there, that the diagram two capacitance, that is 6 microfarad and 2 microfarad. Okay, two capacitance. It will be connected in parallel, and then another one two capacitors 6 microfarad. Then 9-volt battery it will be attached with them. Then okay, this is the given diagram. Two capacitor will be connected in parallel. Then it will be, and then the free capacitor we will find out, and three capacitor will be connected in series, and then voltage is 9 volt. This problem we will find out the find the charges on each capacitor and potential difference across them, energy stored in each capacitor. How will you find out, ma? So first we easily calculate the FET capacitance for first two. So FET capacitance for first two. So first two capacitors will be connected in parallel. So parallel means CP is equal to CB plus CC. Then 6 and 2 microfarad. So 6 microfarad plus 2 microfarad. Micro means 10 power minus 6. So 8 microfarad. Now the diagram change. 8 microfarad and 8 microfarad and 8 microfarad will be connected to the battery 9 volt. This diagram will be changed. 8 microfarad and 8 microfarad and 8 microfarad, because they will be connected in parallel. So 3 will be connected in series. Series means 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So that is 1 by CS is equal to 3 by 8. So CS is equal to 8 by 3 microfarad. This only we want, that is FET capacitance. Okay, other terms is not in use. Then I have to wrap all the things. Then you have to note down the FET capacitance CS only. So CS is equal to 8 by 3 microfarad. Now this problem we will calculate charge on each capacitor. Charge on each capacitor. Charge. First problem is charge on each capacitor. Charge on each capacitor means I am having the 5 capacitors there. So one capacitor charge QA is equal to QA. So formula is capacitors in A and V. Capacitors in A and V, because C is equal to Q by V formula. C is equal to Q by V. So Q is equal to C into V. But at the point A, QA is equal to CA into V. Substitute the CA value and V. CA value is 8. That is A. That is B, C, D. Okay. So this CA means CA is 8 microfarad into voltage is 9 volt. Okay. CA value is 8, but the FET capacitance will be fixed. So the FET capacitance, not a normal capacitance value. FET capacitance value is 8 by 3. Voltage is 9. So 9. So cancel 3. So 24 microcoulomb. Okay. Then QB will be taken as 2 is there. 2 capacitance. So 8 by 3 equal 6 by 3 in 2 by 3 okay. So QB is equal to CP into V. So CP is 8 by 3 is the FET capacitance, but 6 microcoulomb is there. So 6 by 3 into 9. So the 3 cancel, that is 18 microcoulomb. And then QC is CC into V. That is CC, that is 2 by 3 into 9. So 3 cancel, that is 6 microcoulomb. Okay, that is 18 microcoulomb and 8 by 3. CS is 8 by 3 microfarad. Okay, then QC and QD, that is D is there. So 8 by 3 into 9, that is also 24 microcoulomb. That is all the charges on each capacitor. Over capacity and the charge. Charge in at a point A, at a capacitor A, that is charge on at a capacitor A. Charge on at a capacitor B. Charge on capacitor C. Charge on capacitor D. All are calculated. And now the potential difference V will be calculated. How will you calculate the potential difference? Potential difference. That is V. We choosing this formula. C is equal to Q by V. This side Q we want. Now V want. So V is equal to Q by C. So VA is equal to potential difference VA is equal to QA by CA. Substitute the QA value and substitute the CA value. Where is the QA value, ma? It is 24. So 24 microcoulomb by CA value. That is CA value is 8. That is 8. So 8 microcoulomb. So 8 microcoulomb. 8 microcoulomb. Then 3. So 3 volt. Okay. Then VB. VB எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா QB by CB. So QB என்னமா? That is 18. So 18 microcoulomb by CB. CB is 6. So 6. Then 6 microcoulomb that C, that is microfarad. So 18 by 6, that is a microfarad. Okay. So 18 by 6 is 3 voltage. Then all the VC also, VD, as well as we calculate the 3 volt. So potential difference is between the, first we calculate the charges on each capacitor. Now we will calculate the potential difference on each capacitor. Okay. So VA will calculate, VB calculate, and VC, VD also we conclude that this is the 3 volt. இதே மாதிரி நீங்க அதையும் calculate பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதுக்கும் 3 volt தான் வரும். Then last one is energy stored in a capacitor. U. Energy stored in a capacitor U. So energy stored in a capacitor. Energy stored in a capacitor. Energy stored in a capacitor. Energy stored in a capacitor U is equal to half CV square formula. Half CV square formula. So UA is equal to half into CA into VA square. So half CA value is 8. So half into 8 into 10 power minus 6 and VA is 3. So 2, 4. So 12 into 10 power minus 6. 3 square. So into 3 also. 3 square. VA square. So 4, 12, then 6 and 24. 2 cancels 4. Then CA, that is 4. So 9 4s are 36. So 36 into 10 power minus 6. That is energy means joule. Then otherwise 36 microjoule. Okay. Then now we calculate the UB. UB is equal to half CV square. So CB and VB square. Okay. VB value is 3 volt. And then substitute the CB value and VB value. Half CB value is 6 into 10 power minus 6. And VB value is 3. So 3 square. 3 square. Then cancel the 3. So 3 and 3 square is a 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 10 power minus 6 are 27 microjoule. Micro is 10 power minus 6 and unit for energy is joule. So 27 microjoule. Okay. So that is the UA value means energy stored in a capacitor A. UB is energy stored in a capacitor B. Okay. Then next we calculate energy stored in a capacitor C. So UC is equal to half CC and VC square. Substitute the CC value and VC value. Half, substitute the CC value means CC value is 2 microfarad. So 2 into 10 power minus 6 and VC is 3 square. Then 2 cancel and 3 square is a 9. So 9 into 10 power minus 6, that is a 9 micro, that is joule. Energy is joule. So 10 power minus 6 is micro. So 9 microjoule. And then UD is energy in a capacitor D is equal to half CD and VD square. Substitute the CD value and VD value. Substitute the CD value is a half into 8 into VD is, that is the 3 square. So cancel 2. 1 2s are 2 and 4 2s are 8. So 4 into 3 square 9. So 9 into 4, that is a 36. 36 into 10 power minus 6 joule. So 36 microjoule. So this is the D value. This is the same way the energy stored in a capacitor A, B, C, D. Then in this problem we calculate the charge on capacitor A, B, C, D, and then potential differences across the capacitor A, B, C, D. And then now we calculate the energy stored in the capacitor A, B, C, D. Okay. Today home assignment is first learn thoroughly the formulas in this lesson. So learn the formulas in this lesson. Learn the formulas in unit 1 and work out the example problems. Work out the example problems. Work out the example problems 1.6, 1.22, 1.23 and 1.24. Okay. So now down, what's the homework today, ma? Learn the formulas and then work out the example problems 1.6, 1.22, 1.23, 1.24. Thank you.